He has tried to destroy my life.
It is very, very effective.
He said, "You look like a mother that doesn't love your child."
That's prima facie case for imprisonment.
He treated me like the worst scum of earth.
Ma'am, I'm interrupting you.
And he just said this: "You lost your daughter for at least 1 month. You will not see your daughter."
Who cares about this kid?
I have probably sentenced 20 in the 2 years, probably 20, 25 people to jail for contempt of court.
He went after my law license, had me thrown in jail.
I feel like my daughter has been legally kidnapped.
I think they thought I would stop sooner. There's just got to be some corruption. Somebody must be getting paid.
That's extortion on top of thuggery, on top of just straight up racketeering.
Okay, go on, Ms. Lundell.
Unfortunately, the mother, Dr. Epstein, does not appear to take responsibility for her actions.
Nobody had given me the benefit of the doubt.
If you don't pay, then you don't see your kids. I paid that grifter over $300,000. It makes me sick.
I think he plays in the nuance of the U.S. legal system. He knows what he can get away with, and he's doing it.
Ma'am, I'm interrupting you. I want to be clear because this is a court.
And then my lawyer said, "Oh, well, that's just Cooper. That's how he is."
I am a judge. I call you by your proper title. You do not refer to me as Mr. Cooper. I am the judge in this case.
He can't communicate with people in a normal tone.
I have the power.
No judge should want to be known for degrading and bullying litigants like he does. It's really a sad thing. He's a sad person. He's a sadistic person, and no one like him should be on the bench.